What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Gala Games token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point and I've told you that we have two possibilities. First of all, for those of you who want to invest in this token for the long period of time, for you I marked these green bars. It is accumulation points where you should accumulate your position for the long period of time. And for those of you who wanted to enter the trade, who wanted to catch the trade with this asset, your entry points should be right here at these swing lows, right here, and right here, and the very bottom at the 37 cents price point. And as you can see, we have a perfect bounce, right? I made my previous video from this range. Next one right here, and let me mark it for you. First bounce was at this range. Second range was at the bottom of this point. As you can see, we have three touches pretty much of this level right here. And third point was right here, the bottom of this price action. That was right after this week of crypto sell-off. So, and let me show you another range that we broke just recently, and it is this range at about 51.73 cents. And as you can see, we have first touch and bounced back from it, and then we have second attempt, and I have to say that it is a little bit higher than I marked it right here, and potentially we might have it with this range. It doesn't matter actually, because every time when I draw these lines, it is not the exact level, it is the range of supports and resistances, and every time you should rely on these levels as the ranges. And as you can see, with the second attempt we have the breakout of this resistance, and for now we are hovering above this range. So I have to say that we are more bullish, and with the good volume, first very attractive volume we had right here, and it was this movement to the upside. Next one with this attempt to break this resistance, and it is also very good sign. And on top of that, we have consistently higher lows and higher highs, and it is also very good bullish sign. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamentals for entire crypto industry. And let's start with the total market cap. For now we are hovering at $2.38 trillion, and it is a 0.35% increase over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies are moving sideways pretty much. We have less than 1% gains for Bitcoin, about 0.1% for loss for Ethereum, and about 0.73% gains for Binance. But on the 7 days period, all of these coins are higher than we had it previously, and Bitcoin gained about 8.37%, Ethereum about 3.4%, and Binance about 3.73%. So let's continue with the Gala numbers. And for now it has a total market cap of $3.72 billion. It's up for about 6.36%. And the total tradable volume is $688.1 million. It is up for about 28.11%. Very positive sign that we have higher volume, as I already mentioned, on our movement to the upside. And let me show you first of all this information. We are on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity on Reddit communities related to different assets. And if you switch to a crypto stop folder, on the 52nd place we have Gala, that is higher than it was previously by 9 rows, and it has about 16 mentions, and it is increase of 23%. Not the best numbers, I have to say, but still it is in the top list of these assets. And let me show you right here that on cryptoglobe.com we have this article that was published on December 25th, and it's titled Coin Bureau explains his bullishness on metaverse token Gala Games. And let me quote you this. Recently, the host of the popular crypto commentary and market analysis show Coin Bureau commented on the play-to-earn sector. During a recent YouTube video, Coin Bureau's pseudonymous host Guy told the channel's 1.78 million subscribers that Gala, which is the main cryptocurrency used in Gala Games ecosystem, looks poised to be the next major altcoin to emerge from the pack of metaverse tokens. Guy noted that Gala could continue to grow in the gaming sphere, potentially to the point of rivaling Axie Infinity, ticker symbol AXS. And he said, assuming Gala's current market cap is correct, it still has a lot of room to grow compared with other cryptocurrencies in this niche. Now the leader in this niche is of course Axie Infinity, and if Gala catches up to AXS, that would be a 2x, assuming AXS market cap stays the same. Despite predicting a bright future for Gala, Guy warned that the project could suffer from overminting of the platform's native token. He argued that the developers were leaning on the supply side by flooding the game with millions of Gala each week to reward founders' nodes. Even with the project's shortcomings, Guy said the Gala Games could easily become one of the top crypto projects in blockchain gaming, in part due to the significant experience of its founders and well-built ecosystem. And here is the video itself. You can watch it, you can easily find it on YouTube. And I have to say that I agree with Guy, because in my opinion, Gala is one of the leaders among these play-to-earn tokens that we have for now. And as long as the metaverse industry will continue its growth, these type of tokens and these type of assets will increase its prices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, and right here we have this movement to the upside. Technically we have higher lows and higher highs, as I already mentioned. But I cannot count this movement like this. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And let me show you why we cannot do so. Let me delete these waves. Right here on our third internal wave that we can confirm with this volume, we have internal third wave that is the shortest one, and we cannot have, according to Elliott wave theory, this wave as our shortest wave. This means we cannot count this as our motive wave to the upside with the internal third wave. And this means we cannot count on this entire movement as our first, second, third, fourth and fifth wave structure. And this means it's quite confusing, but it is what it is, and I wanted to show you this type of price action because usually people just make this type of breakdown and they are happy to go further. But it is not the case. We have a major violation of the Elliott wave theory rule, and that's why we can rely on this price action simply as a swing low and swing high patterns. So we can project a potential retracement if we will have it with the Fibonacci retracement tool. And if I pull it from this bottom to this top, let me show you that right here we have the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level that was hit by the price. But in this case, most likely we should have this wave as this swing low and swing high. And right here we hit golden pocket. And I have to say that it is nothing unusual that despite of this misconception of the wave, we still have the golden pocket as our major accumulation and pivot point, because a lot of algorithms or people just want to play the simple game, swing high, swing low, or swing low, swing high measurement, and 0.5 or 0.65 level as accumulation point. And it happened right here. So, and if we pull it from this very bottom to this very top, we have following targets. If we will have the retracement, and it should happen, I have to say, if we will have the retracement, first of all, we can land on the ranges of 0.32, it is roughly 49 cents price point. Next one, 0.5, it is a 47.46 cents price point. And the golden pocket as well. and it is 45.46 to 45.89 cents. And as you can see, we have this support line from the top of our previous movement to the upside, and it is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement confluence range. This means if we will go lower and if we will break this support line, and without bounce to the upside, we will go at these ranges. This might be your accumulation point. But so far, so good. And this point might be a very good range of support. And on top of that, if your average price was, as I mentioned, along these levels, you might be up for the current level for about, let me show it to you, for about 27%, 26 to 27%. And if you want to enter the position right here, I don't suggest you to do so, because we are in the gray territory and I cannot count this movement to the upside. That's why I cannot rely on my analysis with more than 50% certainty where we might go. That's why we have to be cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade at these lower points. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!